Hey guys, this might be the best bite in barbecue. Brisket burnt ends. I know you guys go to your favorite restaurants to do it, but hey, you guys can do it at home. Hey guys, we're gonna go ahead and get this seasoned up for you. What I've got is the point of a brisket, okay? And you gotta get all the fat off of it so you can get a lot of rub on here, okay? So what I did is I went to my grocery store. I had the butcher remove all the fat on the point of a brisket, and I'm gonna get this thing rubbed up. We're gonna get it on the smoker, and I'm gonna show you guys how to make the best bite in barbecue, in my opinion, okay? What I've got here, this is a choice brisket point, all right? It's got great marbling. I've had it out to room temperature. I'm just gonna put a little bit of oil down as a binder, just a little bit, okay? We just wanna get this all over the brisket. All right. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a jalapeno rub down first. Garlic jalapeno. It's gonna be on the spicier end, and we're gonna go with the chipotle seasoning, okay? Guys, what we're gonna do, I'm gonna let this rub set up, okay? Once we get these smoked and wrapped up and cubed up in a pan, we're gonna come back with a little bit of the sweet chipotle, okay? Great butcher barbecue flavor. And then we're gonna finish these in the chipotle grilling sauce, okay? This is my favorite sauce that Butcher's has, okay? All right, so we're just gonna let this rub set up for a little bit, then we'll get it flipped over, we'll repeat the process, and then you'll see me putting it on the grill. You guys stick around. All right guys, hey, this has been setting up for about 10 minutes. It's right where I want it. We're about to get it on the smoker. Today I'm gonna be running briquettes with hickory wood, okay? All right. Smoker is running 275. We're just gonna take our burnt ends here, okay? And we just wanna lay them straight on the grill, okay? And we want to spread them out as much as we can, getting them on the grill. All right, guys. Guys, we're an hour in. Man, great color. Got some great color. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get this flipped. All right, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and get these wrapped up, guys. We're gonna hit it with just a little bit of the sweet chipotle. Been on for 2 hours, and it's setting at 204. Yeah, we're just gonna wrap this up just for a little bit, okay? And then we're gonna get it cubed up and get it in a pan with our grilling sauce. I double wrap so that we don't lose any of the juices. Go ahead and get our burnt ends off the grill. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and get these prepped, okay? Check tenderness. Yeah, it's just probe tender, man. Going in like butter. That's exactly what you want with burnt ends. Okay. All right. So now we got to figure out which way grains are running, and we're going to cut against the grain to make cubes. We're going to put a little bit of our sweet chipotle rub on it and get it back on the grill with some sauce on it.
Yeah. Let's go. We just gotta go hard. I go the hardest. I bring the pain. Not what you used to. It's all part of the game. Yeah, I just gotta go hard. I just gotta go hard. Go hard. Go hard. Yeah. Oh yeah, the beast back. Adrenaline pumping through my veins, can't relax. Original, I am not the same as these cats. I sting them if they never ever mind and they beeswax. I don't ever cap, but I'm wearing like 3 hats. Never been a rat, but I know where the cheese at. You'll never get a trophy cause they all here where we at. You better believe that. When it's all said and done, I'll still be here standing. Never took a loss and it ain't something that I'm planning. I dare you to say something, my focus is A1. Every dog has his day, it's been mine since day one. This is real grinding, I'm still climbing. While you still trying, I'm still shining. It's real blinding, and I'm getting hotter too. Talking top 2, I'm not a 2. You let the pressure bother you and I do what I gotta do. Let's go hard. I just gotta go hard. Go hard. Go hard. They ain't coming close to me. Flow is on atomic, I'm starting fires through poetry. The hardest out, staying loyal, no falling out. And if you step into the court, be ready, we ballin' out. Yeah, the coldest of teens, they know what we bring, don't try us. They know in between, we go for these dreams in silence. Hard work, don't mistake it for magic. We been shooting in the gym, this is target and practice. Yeah. And I'm just getting started, get my feet wet. It's all in repetition, ain't a secret. All facts, all black dress code. Pay me my respect, collecting every debt. I go the hardest. I bring the pain. Not what you used to.
Okay, now we're gonna take all of these and we're gonna put them in this pan right here. All right, guys, we're gonna take a little bit of our sweet chipotle rub. It's gonna hit them just like that right there. Shake it around a little bit. Hit it one more time. Now we go our grilling sauce. Toss these around. Make sure they're all coated. All right, guys, and then that right there goes on the grill, and it will be eating it soon.
Ready. Dad's ready.
Guys, these are done. I'm gonna get them off the grill. Looking good, guys. Brisket burnt ends. I'm gonna get these on our a board here, and then we'll try them for you guys. Guys, another great cook, brisket burnt ends. Quick recap: took the point meat of a brisket, took all the fat off of it. Had my butcher do that at the grocery store. We put some oil down. We put the chipotle seasoning and the jalapeno rub, and then we smoked it with hickory wood on the barrel smoker. Didn't take long because it's a smaller cut of meat. So we got about 2 hours of smoke on it, and then we wrapped it up, and then we cubed it up, put it in a pan, put some of the sweet chipotle seasoning on it, and then we tossed it in the chipotle grilling sauce. Okay, and now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna give it a try. Okay, this stuff is amazing. The fat renders so good. We're gonna give it a try. Here we go. Man, guys, I'm telling you, brisket burnt ends are some of the best bite in barbecue, and it's not that hard to do. I know you guys go to your favorite restaurants to do it, but hey, you guys can do it at home. But hey guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel here. Leave us a comment down below, and we'll catch you guys on the next video. We're out.
I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun.